A windstorm decimated the population of Njereng in Mayo Belwa local government area, destroying over 150 dwellings. According to the victims, the windstorm began at 2 p.m. and culminated in rain, causing damage to rooftops. A veterinary student regretted his hardship, stating that he was on his way to his regular evening exercise when he was contacted.
To my own will, I don't have anything to say rather than thank God. I know I will not replace this thing. As far as I'm a student, and I have nothing to say. But I'm praying to God that God will open my ways for me, so that I will replace some of them. Even if I'm not going to replace them all, government should come to my own end and assist me. That's the only thing that I have.
Rufai Bello Njereng, the Wakili Hakimi, has appealed to the government to come to their rescue quickly. While revealing the degree of the damage, Babangida Judah, the state lawmaker, stated that his urgent responsibility is to convey the situation to his colleagues on the floor of the parliament.
It has ravaged, the windstorm has ravaged the community. It has ravaged almost 150 houses. Livelihoods were destroyed. I want to meet with the coordinator of APISA to be able to see how we can be able to come into the community and then see how we can partner with the community to bring about afforestation so that we can have trees that can serve as windbreaks so that we don't have, so that this thing doesn't occur again.